How to send files on Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can send files on Messenger. So let me show you an example. If you go to your Messenger and then try sending a file there, you won't find any option on how you can send a file. You can only share your location, send a photo by opening your camera, send a photo from your gallery, and send a voice narration or a voice recording and emojis. So if you really want to send a file on Messenger, what you'll have to do is simply, first of all, go to your files. After that, locate the file which you want to send on Messenger. So in my case, it will be this file right over here. Now simply long press on the file and there you can see the options here. Simply tap on it. After that, scroll to the left and then tap on the option Messenger. Now choose the person whom you want to send this file to. After that, tap on the option Send. And now let's go back to our Messenger, and as you can see, the file has been sent successfully. So that is basically how you send files on Messenger. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.